You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. I love this word because it looks very confusing. That's the name of what is generally an injury. If you want to learn more about anatomy, vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Pronounced in English. Iliotibial. Yes, all the I's are pronounced E. Ilio. It's pretty straightforward actually once you know. Iliotibial. Iliotibial. Stress on that T syllable as you've heard me. Iliotibial. English pronunciation. Pain. Tract. Band syndrome. Iliotibial. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.